Hey everyone, today I have a brand new photo shoot behind the scenes video. Today's model is Samantha from Priscilla's Model Management, and I am shooting on the Canon 5D Mark IV with the Canon 35mm 1.4 Mark II. And today we're also shooting on something a little bit fun. I have the Lens Baby Sol 45 lens, which is brand new. And if you haven't checked out my review video and behind the scenes photo shoot for that lens, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can watch it. So for today, we are doing a really simple portrait photo shoot on the suburb streets. We are just kind of walking around and picking some nice locations to take photos to show you that you don't really need a really big or really amazing location to take nice portraits. You really do only need a really small section with some good lighting to make it work. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do you want to try crossing your arms? Yeah. And do you want to look kind of over your shoulder? I think would be a cool shot as well. Yeah, perfect. So I'll get you to stand just here on the edge of the shadow. Ooh, that's super pretty, that lighting. And can I get one, again, just kind of like bringing your shoulder into your chin. And maybe play around with your hair just a little bit as well. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. So, can I get you to sit on the ground? Mm-hmm. I was thinking if you sit with your legs just kind of like straight out, yeah, kind of like tomboyish. I think maybe facing that, like to that pole. Okay. I like that actually, it's nice. I wanted to get one with like the sun kind of coming into your face, maybe up there. There was like a spot with the houses that I really liked. And can we do one, if you kind of lean on the fence here, and just kind of hunch forward a little bit. I might get you to step out here so you're not in the shadow. Just coming in close. Did you want to try one when you kind of like, yeah. Oh, I like that. Perfect, and let me take a couple more landscape. That looks so cool. And can we take one more with this one just down there because the lighting's super pretty. So for this one I wanted to take a close-up, and I really liked it when you kind of have your chin down. I think would look pretty. That looks so good, I love that. Amazing. Cool. Well, that's interesting, I like that. Let me get like a full body shot. Something that would be cool is like maybe if you kind of did that, yeah. Oh, nice. Perfect. And then I really like the stairs here as well, with like all the bushes. So maybe if you stand on like that first step. Oh, and then I also liked this textured wall here too, for more of like a simple kind of shot. There's so much stuff here. Can I get you to take a step here? Just one more step closer to me. Oh my god, that bird is so loud. And can I get one, I don't know if it'll look good, but if you kind of like crouch. Right, and then I also saw there's banana leaves over there that I want to use. So for the locations that I'm choosing to take photos, I'm looking for where there is nice lighting first. So for me, I really love shooting with backlighting. So I'm looking for places where we've got really soft backlight to be able to work with. Once I've found my light, I like to see what the background looks like. For this photo shoot, I really want more plain backdrops to work with. So I'm looking for kind of solid walls with nice colors, or solid walls with really nice texture, and also a little bit of trees in like the far background as well. Yeah, so I'll get you to stand here, and I'm going to try and get the cars like out of the shot. So we will see. It's pretty cool. I might get you to like lean down towards me. That's cool. Oh, actually this way works too. You can't see the cars at all. That looks cool. It's like you can't even tell where we are. And then might get, oh, just here would be really nice. I just like keep seeing things. If you wanted to try maybe like some movement kind of shots. So if we kind of like walk back and forth in a straight line.
In a straight line?
Yeah, and I might get you to kind of like swing your arms around and like, yeah. All right, let me just see what that looks like. All right, when you're ready. Cool. Maybe like a little half spin kind of thing. And I'll get like another full body shot here. Perfect. I'll get a little bit closer as well. I really like the wind. It's like working your hair. Yes, so pretty. I get really excited about sunlight. Amazing. I could take photos of you all day, honestly. I like that movement. Can we do another one with you swinging your arms around? It looked really good. You want to try some where you kind of like, just like kind of swivel your arms in front of me. Let me manual focus, not doing it in the sun. And then maybe you can do some kind of like stretching as well. That's perfect. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's photo shoot behind the scenes. Please let me know in the comments which ones were your favorite photos of the day. And please let me know what you thought of the Lens Baby photos as well. I had so much fun shooting with that lens. It was a really different experience, and I feel like it got me to be a little bit more creative with my composition and the way I was posing and directing my model. If you haven't checked out the full review video of the Lens Baby Sol 45, please do. I'll leave the link down in the description below. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.